Jamaican style sweet and refreshing carrot juice. Here's how to make it. So we're obviously going to start off with our carrots, the main star of the show. First of all, I'm going to peel it. So I'm actually peeling it using a knife, quite frankly, because I think I couldn't find our peeler. So I'm scraping off the skin of the carrots and then I'm going to chop them down nice and small. So we chop the carrots down because we're actually going to blend them. So the smaller that they are, the easier it is to blend. Once these have been chopped down, I put them in a bowl and then I also wash them, and then finally I add them to the blender. So add this to your blender, and then you want to add a couple cups of water until the carrots are covered with about a 1/2 inch buffer on top. Then you're going to blend it down until it is nice and smooth. Now is a part that takes a bit of patience. We're actually going to strain the carrot juice into our pitcher. So I'm using a pretty small strainer here, and after you add some juice, you also want to press down the unstrained parts to extract even more juice from them. So we're just extracting as much juice as we can. So continue to do this until you have extracted all the juice that you can from the 4 carrots that we blended down. Now time to start seasoning it and getting that sweet taste. So I add some vanilla extract, some cinnamon, a bit of nutmeg, some brown sugar of course, and then some condensed milk, which is super sweet and absolutely cannot be missed. You can also add some Guinness if you want a bit of an alcoholic kick. This is absolutely optional. Then you want to whisk it or mix it very well so that all of those powder seasonings are nicely blended together into this delicious drink. Serve it with ice and enjoy this delicious, fresh and super sweet. If you like this recipe, please remember to comment, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.